is nonverbal expression protected as symbolic speech? Imagine showing your beliefs without saying a word. That's what nonverbal expression, or symbolic speech, is all about. It's a way to communicate ideas through actions or symbols. The First Amendment protects this kind of speech because it helps people express opinions, beliefs, or dissent without speaking. Examples include wearing clothing with political messages, like a shirt with a slogan, or carrying signs during protests. Waving flags or burning them are also acts meant to send a message. Participating in marches or sit-ins are other ways people use their bodies and actions to express their views. These acts are not just random. They are meant to convey specific messages to observers. The U.S. Supreme Court has made it clear that the First Amendment covers these nonverbal forms of communication. As long as the action is meant to send a message and others can understand it, it is protected. For example, if someone wears a black armband to protest a war, and people recognize it as a sign of dissent, that act is protected as symbolic speech. But this protection isn't unlimited. The government can regulate symbolic speech if it has a strong reason that isn't about silencing a message. For instance, if an action threatens public safety or causes violence, it can be restricted. Actions that incite lawless behavior or threaten harm are not protected. Burning a flag in a way that causes a riot or damaging property during a protest can lose First Amendment protection because it crosses into illegal conduct. Certain actions, like fighting words or threats, are not protected either. If someone makes a true threat of violence or uses words or actions to provoke immediate violence, those are not protected as symbolic speech. Obscenity, defamation, harassment based on race or gender, and acts like trespassing or assault also fall outside protection. Knowing your rights means understanding that peaceful symbolic acts, like wearing a political badge or participating in a peaceful march, are generally protected. But if your actions turn into illegal conduct or violence, the government can step in. It's important to know these boundaries so you can express yourself confidently without risking legal trouble. This balance helps protect your freedom to communicate your beliefs while maintaining public safety and order.